Welcome to another Speak Tagalog, a basic primer language learning lesson 31. How are you all? I hope that my video finds you all very well, happy and safe. In Tagalog, inaanyayahan ko po kayo. Kumusta po kayo? Narito po tayong muli sa pagtuturo ng Tagalog. In English, how are you all? I hope that my video finds you all very well, happy and safe as I have mentioned. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD, speaking to you over the video. Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, is my #1 book among my 22 books. Yes, 22 books. You'll find worldwide at Amazon, OutskirtsPress.com, all bookstores near you worldwide, and online stores as well globally, and at my 2 websites. Yes, I have 2 websites. I am inviting you all to visit as well. Juanita Gutierrez, BSEDMSCD.com, and the other one is JuanitaGutierrez.com. And how are you all? Maligayang, in Tagalog, maligayang Pasko po at manigong bagong taon sa lahat. In English, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2026 and moving forward to all. One moment please. I have to turn off my stove. Thank you for your patience. I am just cooking. As you know, I cook as well in this my channel, and also teach Tagalog and do the decrees and all the pertinent ideas. And welcome once again, and enjoy learning Tagalog. And today we're going to discuss uses of vowels. Vowels in Tagalog is patinig. First syllable pa, second syllable ti, third syllable nig. Patinig. Second syllable is where the accent is, so that's how you pronounce it. In Tagalog, bigkas. Patinig. 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 Vowels. Uses of vowels. Uses means gamit. Whether it is singular without S or plural with S, it all means the same word, gamit. Or if you would like to have it plural, you will use mga gamit of ng vowels patinig. Patinig. And there are 5 vowels or patinig in Tagalog. Patinig. A, E, I, O, U. And we have the same in English. A, E, I, O, U. And we use the patinig or vowels in English. A. We don't say it in English like A. In Tagalog, it's A. Kung anong bigkas siyang sulat. In Tagalog, whatever it is written, however it is written, that's how it is pronounced. So, A, example, alis. Alis. Depart in English. Alis. First syllable A, second syllable lis. The accent is in the second syllable. Alis. Alis. Alis, depart. E. Example, elepante. Elepante. First syllable A, excuse me please. First syllable E, second syllable le, Third syllable, pan. Fourth syllable, te. Elepante. Third syllable is where the accent is elepante, elephant in English. E. Example, ingat, ingat, ingat. Take care in English. First syllable, E. Second syllable, ngat. The accent is in the first syllable, ingat, ingat, ingat. Take care in English. O. Example, halimbawa in Tagalog, oo, oo. Yes in English. Oo. First syllable, o. Second syllable, o. Small letter O. O. The first syllable, O, is where the accent is. O. O. Yes in English. U. Example, uwi, uwi. Go home in English. Uwi, uwi. First syllable, u. Second syllable, wi. The accent is in the second syllable. Uwi, uwi, uwi. Go home in English. Let's review. Uses of vowels. In Tagalog, gamit, mga gamit ng patinig. Second syllable, accent is T. Patinig. Example, a. Alis, alis. In English, depart. The second syllable has the accent alis, depart in English. E. Elepante, elepante. Third syllable, pan is where the accent is elephant in English. Elepante. E. Example, ingat, ingat, ingat. Take care in English. First syllable, E. Second syllable, ngat. The accent is in the first syllable, ingat, ingat, ingat. Take care in English. O. Example, halimbawa in Tagalog, oo, oo. Yes in English. Oo. First syllable, O is the accent. Oo. Second syllable is not accented. So only the first syllable, O. Oo. Oo. Yes in English. U. Example, halimbawa in Tagalog, uwi, uwi, uwi. Go home in English. Second syllable, we, is the accent. Uwi, uwi, uwi. Go home. And so that's our Tagalog lesson for today. I hope you learned something today. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Blessings of Christ, love, and light. The word Christ means unconditional love. By the way, if you are noticing the small board that says ABC, Miss Gutierrez is a special teacher, that's my gift from my Filipino student here in New York City. She is our valedictorian, and I love my students. All of them give me gifts. And thank you all for watching. See you all again. And may I am presence within our heartbeats bless us all this happy holidays according to the archangels and the angels. Every day is a holy day indeed. And so may I am presence bless us all these holidays and on to the new year 2026 and moving forward with long lives, prosperity, good health, peace, unity, compassion, forgiveness, happiness right now and continuously. And so it is. See you again and take care. Have a nice day always.